super, super excited. So I just started opening this box. I haven't even gone in it all the way, but guess what we have? It's VapeTins, and I am so, so happy. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It comes in a regular box, and then you get your tin. And they have, this is actually like, it could be a monthly subscription or not a subscription. You can actually buy 1 month, or you can do a monthly subscription, and you can change between the different boxes that they have month to month, or you can cancel at any time. Say for instance, you know, you have it going for 3 months and then you don't want it the next month, you can cancel it for that month, and then you can always start it back up. It's always going to be the same price, so that's not a problem. They have a bunch to choose from. The first thing they're going to ask you is like the type of hardware that you like, the type of accessories that you like, and juices and flavors and things like that. And then you can customize your box by what they actually offer. And they do offer a few different options. One is the VapeTins liquid tin. So in that, you would actually pick out of your flavor preferences like fruits, desserts, candy, menthol, beverages, or a staff pick. And that one is $69.99, and that will come with over, they have over 1,000 flavors. So for that box, you would actually get 300 to 400 mils of premium name e-liquid brands for $69.99. You can pick between 0.3 and 6 milligrams of nicotine. But that's 300 to 400 milliliters. Did I say milligrams? Milliliters of e-liquid in one tin. So that's awesome. So you'll get like 3 to 6 or 3 big bottle. It's just going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. You're going to get at least 5 to 6 flavors a month with that subscription. They've also got a signature tin. And this one, again, you would pick your flavor preference, your hardware preference, your accessories. Accessories are like cotton handmade coils, sub-tank coils, or staff picks. And then hardware is like sub-ohm, RDA, RTA. And then, of course, your fruit, your flavor preference based off of like your juice preference. And in that one, it's $74.99. But you can also, that one's $74.99 if you do a one-time purchase. But if you subscribe, it's only $69.99. So you actually end up saving like almost 7% off of the cost. And what you get with that one is you're actually going to get, it's actually a manufacturing suggested retail price of over $100. But you're going to be customizing it, and then you will get e-liquids, hardwares, and accessories in your monthly tin like this. This one is actually, I don't even know which box I have. So hold on. I got it. They've got some more. So we're going to talk about it in a second. This one is the signature tin. I think it's the signature tin. Okay. So when you open it up, let me just, I don't want to like leave you out. So you get your tin like this and you open it up. It comes in this really, really nice tin box that's really, really nice and secure. You're going to get your VapeTin sticker. You're also going to get your card. Your card is actually going to tell you what type of tin that you have depending on what you've picked. I've actually got the signature tin. And with the signature tin, you can have different things such as like a sub-ohm tank, accessories, ohm readers, box mods, cotton, e-liquid. I mean, it's a whole bunch of stuff. And for the signature tin, it is $69.99 a month. So that is the box that I have. If you notice, it's full of stuff here. So in this box, I actually have cotton. So thank you very much. I've got cotton bacon. A lot of people actually like the cotton bacon. And then, yes, do you see that? You see that? Can you see it closer? Yeah. I've actually got a profile RDA. So that is the hardware that came with it. This, of course, is one of the accessories. So this one, I do have a profile RDA. And then I've got some juices in here. Oh my gosh. For $69.99. You get this. You get cotton. And I got 3 bottles of juice, which I'm really, really excited. I love juices. So this one is actually green apple, and this is by Aqua. This is in 3 milligrams because that is my preference. And so we've got that. So that's right there. Green apple, peach, and kiwi. That sounds so yummy. And this is a 60 ml bottle. So I like that. And then 100 and I can never tell if it's 100 or 120 milligrams. This is a 70-30 VGPG. I think this is 120 milligrams. This is the big chubby bottle. And this is of Vape Lab, and this is strawberry guava. I actually wanted to try this one, so I'm really, really excited. And then last but not least, we do have, make sure I've got everything out, because I don't want to drop anything. We do have one more. Oh my God, I want to try this too. This is the Java Granola Bar by Yogi. Somebody told me about this the other day, so I'm really, really excited. So in this box for $69.99 a month, you would get 3 juices, which is one, two, I think this is 220, 240, like 240 milligrams of e-liquid. You get an accessory, whether it be cotton or coils or things like that. And then of course you do have your hardware. So I think this is, for me, this is definitely worth the $69.99. So that is just one of the options. Again, I love, love, love. I don't know if you saw my first one, my first unboxing. Very, very excited. I think this is like the perfect type. If you're going to go for any type of vape subscription box, this is the one. Not only do you have the stuff that's included, but you have a box that you can use afterward because it is a tin box. So it comes in it. So VapeTins, hence the word. But yeah, so you can pick from the different ones. Again, this one is the $69.99. This is the signature tin. And there's so many reviews on it too. They also have the modder tin, the VapeTins modder tin. That one there is $93.32 if you have the monthly subscription, but it actually includes a box mod. It's going to include accessories and then of course e-liquid also. So that's also another choice. I mean, hello, you usually spend more than that just on one mod. So you've got so many different options. You've got the juice one, you've got the signature, you've got the mod one. I mean, there's so many different ones to choose from. They have another one. Let me see. Oh, also, if you sign up for the email, they give you like sneak peeks of what is going to be included in the box. So that is also really, really cool. So you can decide if you want to keep it that month or if maybe you want to just delay it for the following month. But I think that's awesome. If you're going to get something, I know of other subscriptions that are like $50, $60 and all you get is a couple juices and then there are the little bottles and stuff. I mean, you're getting a whole big one here. Now, the featured one is $39.99 a month. And that one, it's the first ever monthly featured options. This month you have the option to choose from your preferred hardware style from either the ever popular Aspire Cleto tank or the GR1 RDA, which is by Gas Mods. So you get to choose your accessories, you get to choose your e-liquids, and I mean, for $39.99, you can actually start with this. So I think that that's great. So, I don't know. I can't say enough about this company. I'm excited to find out what I get next month. I want to show you the different varieties that they have, but I'm definitely going to be reviewing these because, oh my God, I can smell it. I've been dying to try these. So yeah, so I mean, I've got 260 mils here. That's 120 mils, 120 mil of juice here. So that's 240 mils. This easily right here, these usually go for about $30 minimum. And then you usually pay about $20. So 20, 40 right there. That's what, 30, 40, $70 right there. Plus I get the RDA, plus I get the cotton. So yeah, so I think that it's really, really worth it. I really do. So what I'm going to do is I actually can't leave links below, but I am going to go ahead and leave a link here where you can go ahead and copy that down. And then from there, you can go ahead and order it. If you don't want to go ahead and use that link, all you have to do is go to VapeTins.com, and it's exactly how it's spelled out, VapeTins.com. Again, you can do the monthly subscription, or you can just purchase them automatically. You do save about 7% if you do the monthly subscription, but you can go on at any time and go, you know what, this is what I want, and you can purchase it that way. You can do it that month to month. You can swap it month to month. So say, for instance, this month I want liquid, next month I want the mod tin. You can do it that way too. So I'm really super stoked about this. And to have a profile RDA, this is one of the popular RDAs right now. So it's not like you're getting old stuff that isn't even, you know, hasn't been out for a year. You're getting the newer stuff. So I think that that's awesome. And of course, you get the tin to use for later. So hello. And then of course the cotton. So I did get the cotton bacon, but this is just awesome. This is, yeah, I'm excited. So that's it for this unboxing of my vape tin this month. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to show you next month. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I will answer each and every one of them. If you're looking for a subscription box, no joke, this is like the best to get. It's not just small little 30 mils or 60 mils of juice. You get juice, you get hardware, you can pick whatever you want. It's so reasonably priced and so versatile that's why I love this box. And this is definitely my #1 top choice for subscriptions. And not because they sent it to me, but because of the fact that like this is the best. I've paid for subscription boxes before, and this is literally the best box that's out there right now. Especially for those of you that are on a budget, this is great because you get the hardware, you get the juices. I'm talking too much. I gotta go. Yeah. Reviews coming soon for these 3. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.